folks, let's talk about upcoming pin shows that's happening this month. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Okay, first up to bat, it's going to be Jim Hines, here from good old Texas. And where is Jim from, Mr. Announcer?
He is from Richardson, I think.
Right. He's not from outer space, but anyway. So, anyway, he's that little old pin maker that makes them one at a time from good old Texas. Right? Right. Got it? Got it. And second up to bat is Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper. He also will be at the upcoming pin show. So what upcoming pin show is that going to be? My crystal ball says the Triangle Pin Show in North Carolina. NC. North Carolina. NC. Correcto, Bismo. Right, right. So, let's go back to Jim Hines, the pin maker. Hi, Jim. His sidekick is going to be with him, Francisco. So you might want to go by and get some autographs. If not, then you might want to drop by Frank from Federalist Pens and get some autographs, because his sidekick, his little brother, the one and only, the famous Mark, which I call Marky, will be there. And I'm thinking maybe the dad might be there. I'm not sure, but his father. And, you know, you got to meet the folks. You got to meet them. They really are cool. It's a family thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. When you meet them, you'll know what I'm saying. It's all good. So, hopefully, everybody will say, forget their autograph. I want the Pinbug autograph. Oh, isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Sure.
Yes. And it's free. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, yes.
Well, they're kind of free. Just all you have to do is send me a pen or a journal or some ink or some Starbucks gift cards or what else, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, the Starbucks gift cards would be the most effective one.
Or anything your little heart desire, $100 bills, 500s, whatever your heart desires. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. So run to that ATM machine and draw that money out and let the love flow. If you don't mind. All right. Well, my good friends, that's going to wrap up for right now. But only right now. For those two. All right. Remember, you heard it first from me. Not from anybody else but me. The Pinbug guy. The one and only. The creator of whatever. Isn't that right? What do you think?
Close enough, yes.
Who do you think I come from?
Well, I think it may be the solar system, but I'm not sure where from in there.
Kind of like Superman came from Crypto, didn't he?
Krypton, yes.
Crypto, Krypton, Krypton, doesn't matter. Okay. Outer space. Psh.
Yeah, except your only superpower is being weird.
Weird? Well, I love being weird. Because if I wasn't weird, then it's just not me. You got to be weird. I kind of blend in today's weirdness then, wouldn't I? Okay. Well, I'm bored. I'm done. I've got to go take care of the cats. What else I've got to do? I just devoured 4 tacos. I'm full. I'm stuffed. Well, I guess that's going to do it. Well, now it's time to say goodbye to all our company. But before I go, this is really major importance. Really. Friday, that's tomorrow, on the 4th. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer? Be coming?
Yes.
Kevin from
Fountain Pen Revolution.
Thank you. Yes.
6:30 p.m.
Yes, Central Time. So, a little bit on that, because I kind of lied that I was leaving. So, I told a fib. But, okay. More on Kevin. Kevin if you haven't met Kevin or dealt with Kevin or bought any pins from Kevin or want to know more about Kevin's pins, how Kevin came to exist in his pin collection and hobby and pin enthusiast, all that good stuff about fountain pens and how he expanded. And all right, he's going to be on my Zoom Pen Hangout tomorrow night, 6:30 p.m. Central Time on Zoom Pen Hangout. So you guys can Zoom with me and have a chance to meet Kevin and ask questions. There's going to be a lot to talk about. Kevin's going to really, I think, give you an outlook on what he does and how he does it. Fountain Pen Revolution. Kevin, he's going to be on tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. Central. Don't be square. See you soon. Peace, love, and we're out of here. Don't text and drive, baby. Bye-bye.